everyone, Tessa here. I'm going to show you how to descale your Famiworths coffee maker with this Descaler solution. So you're going to know that you need to descale it when you see these two buttons flashing in red. What you need to do is open this up, and it says to fill it all the way to the top where it says 14 ounces there. So these are 8 ounces each. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them in there, pour the Descaler solution into the reservoir. There's one. There we go. It's at 14 ounces now. It has instructions up here on how to descale. The next thing it says to do is press the two buttons here for 2 seconds, and then it should start flashing white. So let's see what happens here. 1 and 2, and sure enough, flashing white. So now it's going to go through the process. I guess it'll kind of do a brewing kind of thing, like as if you are making coffee, and it'll probably drip through into this cup. So of course you want to have a cup under here that holds at least 14 ounces or more. And I'll be back. All right, so it has started going through the coffee pot and descaling. It took about a minute and a half or so. Okay, so it paused for a moment. I was wondering what was going on, and then it started up again. I love that this machine lets you know when it's time to descale your coffee maker. I have not had that before. I've had, a Keurig single cup type coffee maker, and it never had that feature. So we went way too long before we actually descaled it anyway. This is great. I love that about this. I just love this machine. It's so great. It's so affordable and makes great coffee. Okay, it's done. Yay, see, it stopped flashing. We did it. So simple. So the instructions on how to descale this machine is very brief. And I used to have, like I mentioned, I used to have a Keurig machine, and I had, learned how to descale that one. And it was recommended that after you do this descaling solution and put it through, that you're going to run the coffee machine 3 more times, like a rinse cycle, with just plain water, and just, put it in the reservoir like you would normally for a cup of coffee. Just pour it in there and close it, and then push the button to brew. And it's, of course, there's no coffee pods in there or anything, so it's just going to run water through it. And then I will do that 2 more times. And I really recommend that. That's probably the best thing to do. You want to get all that stuff from the descaler. Who knows what's in there? I'm sure that it's not good for you to ingest that. So you want to completely clean your machine of that. And then the coffee is going to be amazing. So it just finished the 3rd rinse through, and look at that. Water is so crystal clear. Perfect. Now it's ready to make a cup of coffee. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to let you know if I can taste the difference. First cup of coffee after descaling. I decided I should probably use a different cup. So I'll let you know how it tastes. Yeah. You know what? I think there is a little bit of an improvement in the taste. It really does make a big difference when your coffee maker is super clean. This is really good. Well, I'm going to go finish my coffee. Have a great day.